Bismillah for this victory against India, and thank you Space Plus Arena Highland Promotion for this opportunity. Yes, I wanna convey one message from this international platform. I am from Pakistan, and you know, in the world, all people fighting in the borders. Our country versus India, always fighting in the border. So I request the Prime Minister of India, Modi sir, please stop fighting and bring peace. Pakistani people want to come Indian people want come to Pakistan. So everybody know in the Kashmir, like India, like killing people and like this. So I wanna stop this. I wanna request you stop this thing, and we want peace. So please bring peace and Pakistan, India together. We will do everything, because in our country, in the Asia, the top super athletes, in the world. So yeah, this is my message from Prime Minister of Pakistan, Shehbaz Sharif, and Prime Minister of India, Sir Modi. Thank you. Pakistan! Gilgit-Baltistan! Thank you.
Congratulations, Usman.